which is flowering plants. Now, in angiosperm, seed is the final product of sexual reproduction. Now, seeds are the fertilized ovule, right? Now, the mature seeds may be non-albuminous or ex-albuminous. Now, what is non-albuminous seeds? The non-albuminous seeds have no residual endosperm as it is completely consumed during embryo development. So after fertilization, there is embryo, there is zygote, then pro-embryo, then embryo. Now this embryo has endosperm structure. Now endosperm provides the nourishment to this developing embryo. So in some mature seeds, these endosperm gets completely used up during embryo development. So mature seeds have no residual endosperm. So these seeds are albuminous seeds. Now examples of albuminous seeds are pea and groundnut. Now so these are the non-albuminous seeds that do not have residual endosperm. Now albuminous seeds, it's opposite, that seeds retain a part of endosperm as it is not completely used up during embryo development. So these are the albuminous seeds. Now the examples are wheat, maize, barley and castor. So wheat, maize, barley and castor are the examples of albuminous seeds that have the endosperm, and non-albuminous seeds that do not have the residual endosperm. Example is pea and groundnut. Okay, but other than these non-albuminous and albuminous seeds that differentiates in the endosperm in the mature seeds, occasionally in some seeds, now other than these, in some seeds such as black pepper and beet, there are the remnants of nucellus are also persistent. So it was the endosperm in albuminous and non-albuminous seeds, but in some seeds like black pepper and beet, there is a remnants of nucellus are also persistent along with the endosperm. So this residual persistent nucellus is the perisperm. So define the perisperm is the residual persistent nucellus. So some seeds like black pepper and beet, along with the endosperm, remnants of nucellus are also present, persistent, and this residual persistent nucellus is the perisperm. So endosperm is a different thing, perisperm is a different thing. So perisperm is a residual persistent nucellus which is also plays role in nutrition in seeds like black pepper and beet. So this was the seed that mature seeds divided into non-albuminous and ex-albuminous or albuminous seeds, and the term perisperm. So this was all about the non-albuminous or ex-albuminous and perisperm. Again, repeating the examples, non-albuminous seeds or ex-albuminous have no residual endosperm because it gets completely consumed during embryo development. Example is pea and groundnut. And albuminous seeds retain a part of endosperm as it is not completely used up during embryo development. Example is wheat, maize, barley, and castor. But occasionally in some seeds, like along with the endosperm, such as black pepper and beet, there is remnants of nucellus are also persistent. It stays, and this residual persistent nucellus is the perisperm. Now again on this side, so talking about the, we were talking about albuminous, non-albuminous and perisperm. So endosperm. So endosperm may either be completely consumed by the developing embryo. Example pea, groundnut and beans. So pea, groundnut, beans are the examples of non-albuminous or ex-albuminous because they have no endosperm left in the mature seed. So they get used up during the embryo development before seed maturation, or it may persist in the mature seed, that is the albuminous seeds, and these are castor and coconut. So wheat, maize, barley, castor and coconut. And non-albuminous, ex-albuminous examples are pea, groundnut and beans, and be used up during seed germination. So it was not consumed during the embryo development, but now can be used up during seed germination. So all the cereals like wheat, rice, maize, these are the albuminous seeds. And non-albuminous, ex-albuminous seeds are pea, groundnut and beans. So this was it. And what is endosperm? Endosperm is a triploid endosperm tissue. It is a triploid endosperm tissue. Now what it does, it provides the nutrition. It provides the nutrition of the developing embryo. So this was the endosperm. It's a triploid in nature, that is 3N. So this was it. So this was all about the endosperm. Can be ex-albuminous or non-albuminous and albuminous and perisperm and all these terms.